So I'm going to show you how to take raw format photos on your Pixel 10 Pro. So on the camera app, just tap on the settings icon, and in the settings icon, you should see this. So you can just tap on Pro, and then you can see it's currently set to JPEG only. So you want to tap on the raw button, and that means your phone will now take raw plus JPEG. So anytime you take a photo from now on, like that, it's going to take two photos. It's going to take a raw photo and also a JPEG version of the same photo. All right. So actually here we are. So this is a JPEG and this is a raw format photo. JPEG, raw format. But in the gallery, it appears to be one photo. Okay, so let me just go back. You can see in the gallery, it appears to be one photo, but if you tap on it, you have the JPEG version and the raw version. All right. Thanks for watching and good luck.